Tell me catch one lady say, so a poor donor what telenovela money dia. Uncle pay screwdriver. They started telenovela and will be a TV in a chin with him. A one obenya sour don. She be able to say movie Titanic. In reality, and Casayan could be a great tool before. Aha, and a footwool and such nipa agent in social. Auntie, your stage be a draw automatically. Never saw Unyansa, and your son will be too for you. Wow, Auntie
Abraham, me pacho, empranchia yetri na bema etu efinifie akwakotena obaso.
Oba kwatena bema so anase.
Bema bi ho timi tu finifie.
No akwatena oba fie.
No akwatena oba fie. And vice versa. Oba bi so ho a. Ono so timi tu no akwatena bema na nchen no. Sam pranchia na eye.
Yo, ma ade ba ko a. E was say ase. And then I'm person kai, but okay.
Question
that be question I could fall into the first stage of relationship. First stage of relationship, no, the attraction and the romance stage. No, obia ye pretender, ashase no. Be me bi eni ho a okosi wo ba pa na akoma ha no a. Obeka cha oba nse madam, me ma akoma ha mi o. We of mesi weni so there be. Obia kote say angel. Oba wo mu ade kura wonyi ni so ban kyerɛw nti ɛhɔ no obi a pretende ɛhɔ no bɛma no oba ne bisa wo ska kura na wo pɛsɛ wo show some impression bi wow o hɔ no wafa phone na wa friend bisa sɛ wo didi ana na wa send bibi ɛhɔ no romance nti utumi friend oh yen kɔtena beach kakra oh chale yen kɔ pool nti sa stage nim no ade ye DCV ye wo yo oba kura ma no muntie. Don't spend more than 3 days. Ewa guy craft 3 days too much. Ade ni nipa bia wade e friend say cave. Won say wo hwa da kro betumi adabe so na wankasa ubu ofu. Obi anya wuhwi o. Aha nti ya kosrasra ye nanfo akoda ye nanfo enchen no. Wo ko first day ya wo enije bi o de welcome you. The next day na vibe no ho. Who did 3 days spend was starting so muna. So wow, when I quite nice say Charlie why the party I come of late you wake up and they be like Ibo. Ni partner pet the privacy because oh yeah
okay.
It will be our
right.
Enti what call guy in chain. What con and then now doing the romance is high. And DJ between so more better than so obemu niaje mbepi akote aduana mwaba. The next day when you bepi ono nko abeka se wo kwaba. The third day on one friend was say to be steady atete no ye nana no nyansem sa wo maame kurate awade ase a wo wo ana wo nana wo nana wo maame ne maame no wa hyeda afro papa be e bia 1 month 2 months time wa friend ase wo dem pa ache wo ye ka me hia we o wife for me nchem person ko be hwe ade ma me kakra dem sra wa why onche oba be di 2 days ye nana no mo boa onim se watena awade na ase ma ye afunu wukuno nti etumi mu maame ko be ka so kodi 2 days na maame akwa kodi 1 week after 1 week no na be ma start a friend wa fe ne yere we no afa phone hello asew nkura ne ba ko wa ehyi nti anka oba ne be ba wo boa nti nipa ho fono eye natural law nipa ho fono nti am hu sem especially man ka wuchi am ya hya ase ne de na e was said you handle me na ebre ko no ade me ho afono wana eye natural law even your mobile phones are yekuta no imagine that auto phone the first day kakra na de hanki ya found
no correct
first iPhone kakra de hanki ya found hwe wo car kra
betimi wo hye me car sa
ti abduru ba bi kwa foto bi butu car akoda keto aye wo na ukura no a obi kura de nsa be mpesa do mo obi a ona ota de ti kwakwasi ampanyini kwaji wo nti ade bi a che wo nipa ho efono enti relationship your stage be a duru a mo hu to me fono mo hu totally e wona the acceptance the reality stage ono hu ba be face reality afi na ba be hu oba ni suban na hu ofe ni nyina achi afi e bia na ne kasa nye afi na so be ma no so sa guy wo pe ma sa nti e no you face reality nti e no mo bo full stop e ho na eduru abrofo no to me call relationship break no mo to break up 1 month say yem break up na ye nyina yem fen recycle e ho hwa say betumi movie wona abrofo relationship omu break up wa e more romantic e chen Africa for ye dating abrofo ja awade a omu to be call divorce divorce vacation. Yes, vacation for divorce. Onu oba ne nko a no metu kwan akwaji hotel nyina edi nkomo se ye jai na momo su kakra na mo hage omo ana omba no jai fefefe Ghana ha Ghana nti a stages relationship nti mema na enye obi se bema epe wa hyase a e wo suban odeba na obenya wuhie a da bi eyesa e natural law nti aduru ba bi a na mo face reality. Last time I can say we shouldn't go around looking for perfect people. Maybe new year say young generation. Like I said, the younger generation na ebano. I did deceive the younger generation. Omo ye generation na beto social media, the internet, television. Yen omo ye sa 75 ebano. Yen the transition from ebra na internet ini ho video game yen time dey bo video game first yen dey hwe TV first nti yen sa illusion no and that yen too much. Younger generation e ba no wa hwe telenovela sama na adwene say what they see in movie is the real life. There be the real relationship e dey hu ho maame no papa no nti pepe bia yesua wade a e yo maame no papa o maami ni wa ya hwensema o papa ni wa hwensema maami ka fa papa ngo dechi o ba kwasi ampe de ti kwete se ayi sa bai sa ye de be yo ye de be ye me sa on hanti e mbinum ye hu ye papa no ye maami ni wa no mo de oba ye che ye hu mu nyina e reality. But ge bia hwe ti me ka che one lady say so opodo na wo telenovela mu ni dia onko pe screwdriver na ye start telenovela na no bi TV na chi ne wowurem e ho no obenya sa wodo no hwe bibi ti say movie Titanic dem ya make Titanic Rose onu oba Rose na bema sikeni bi ne twa ticket mo ne nebusuafo eko Titanic ship nim na wo kromfo a wo ko wiawia coat hozlama na wo koto chacha kra na wi ni ticket a wo remu na we jay sikeni ni di wechi na ship ne sin kene we nya apply wood a we pia apply wood na command system a wo SOMPA FM in real life on the best idea no
ona say betime si oh na bi de sa unya e bia me unya e bia me ship sin kene me ko nya taabo bema no twa ticket ma okra we janu wo ship ni ma hwe de chiri kwa na me hozlaman abai one say de mesia ka wuti akonso na se gina okon ho survive no. I'm telling you yet yes they are man yiri empire embra ne enso when they be save you Avram adibo na hamadwen although you are talking about the stages in relationship but the I don't know sir bema ana oba sir uko relationship mo I was say odu hu rim 100% ana any kwan say odu hu rim 100%.
Oh that be bibia ni we ase o say odu hu kra rim 100%. Nothing. Not even business, nothing. Bibia you have to get a percentage of doubt kakra. In relationship yemfa yakoma nko. Akoma na ye singular, akoma na ye ba akope. Adwene na ye mienu, adwene tumi decide. Aha, nti akoma kakra na adwene kakra. Yes sir, odu akoma kona hu kodi mu a because we don't know the future. That's why we take risk. Why not this calculation business mu? Na wonim da che say business e be collapse kwa manya aban ya right from the beginning you won't do it. Yet what for oba na wo se ne pe. Wo se oba ne pe no. Wonim say 6 months time. Wo be ya adiba ne buofu. Emode poison egu ensema ma wo right from the beginning. No what chance here the be 3 months time. So we don't know the future. So we take risk. Nti even wo fra wo ba ase ne pe a wo no kura be pene no e risk na mumie no take. Yes, it can end up say ebufu nti ba ko be ba ko ewu. Your life your security, everything is at risk. So who date ni or betche camera, aba recordo, aba begu any mwase, oko expose you. We take risk. It's a sanity. It's more bianco into any relationship 100%. But a dear bakwaya, I was say ye 30 pa. Things people we are dating say when they are joking.
And someone
omukadi diagro. Serious pa. To best idea, yes, you about pe cry the agro na start. Then maybe no see oba po ye serious da. Ya the agro. Oh, chama me boa.
Evans. Ever say no correct.
No correct. So to me so be succeed and so.
You succeed.
They are grow. Who so pia ba how they share.
Experience is the best teacher. So experience for the kasa. Yeah, they are grow there.
Evans, this portion the muncha me na me fan.
Most of times I saw for no mo say mapa. Also pena one plus me share da na me hwe se wo gina awurade mu a oboa. Say my so for that sa na ye.
Oh, o se den kebio.
So for si oba pa oba na mpena na wa share da ka se wo me share da na me hwe se wo gina awurade mu pintin a. Say the be so aso nkoye hye wo.
Me ba so e mana butie me wie. Me ba so Goma Avraham we need to join the crowd.
Oh, yes, for serious nko.
Asofo we.
Yeah, the agro.
We the agro.
Me pampa. Nti ya was sign oban ba ya bo say no be pushi a ebefa.
Sign be to sign.
Sign be to sign say masa. Masa. Nti unim sign bia.
Me nim sign bia. Wo nim sign no.
Oh normally.
Oh, Evans also you be cut in there you post you.
Me post you.
We be post.
Oba ne be bibi oba pewa.
Yeah. Denga.
On no gasa receptions. E kon be fa so age wasema ase say obu o de be ma o.
Ena me kind
oba bi be jeje. Asa oba bia. Minim so tie pa.
But oba onim.
Oba danda brutal.
Onim oba mpewa.
Safo kan taka so onim ta girl.
Between oba wapene. Sincerely say ono be movie on. Any oba be play o. One shall won't channel, Obeche Nache. They come the same
Oba be play.
Yes, how yes, into how or rejected with advances and the moves and no open me prami. They come the same with the same smile, the same humility, and we are not bad with renew. And Ube won't say son again name permanent, we drain you cry.
Hey,
and we drain you.
And the signs living in sign.
That was best smiley bibia kama, but will be what?
Some of them smile more.
Almost smile more. So obe proud. Into obe tiuni to into what I say. We vibrate on we operate on frequency and vibration. So obe person tie sompa. Ye tiuni na kwache.
Ampa.
Into opewe prawa o tiuni sabe. Edwa baba to Jimmy frequency no was set amount no. In 2,1 was any 5,000 oko.
Kai.
Auntie Oba oh in for you on tem bisawade.
Oba oh in for you
your personality on tem bisawade. Person no bobra.
But Oba de bia da.
Obedrenu agwawu. Wawu o se ne pa na ne rent aso. Eda na ne rent aso. Eda na ni fi rap 8 no.
Me phone na say. But say the Avraham o advance you because o say the pair e one one kan che o say the rent aso. Obetwa ma na di be 1 month bi. No ka che o say the rent aso. Say o advance.
Mo advance ba me say e be so. We hu nko ade enche be so.
Say ye be man so. There are several reasons why we go into relationship. There will be maybe Mr. Minje.
Oh that o yenko.
Bema bi wo ha sebe 19 na oba wonche bi wo so person no bobra
no bobra
enti bema 90 oba wonche ne de wo diskan to no betua mo person no da keke ba ne o person no nante betia say he will follow you, he will steady you. So we as our be sika na opedia not let's say because I want to have sex
with you,
but I want to make life, I want to stay with you, I want to have a relationship. Until there are two things. Until coffee be doing I will not see big I cannot say. As soon as we are smart said, "San nipa we na me pe," and I said, "San nipa we na me pe."
Thank you very much. Well, right, Antamo.
Bema bia so a oye badwemba. Oye badwemba. We hu obo person ne bobra no. On demand sex on the first outing.
Oh sir.
Bema oye badwemba. Oh say oba pe a ye kan kire say when are you coming home? You can ask the lady out. Da ben na memfa wumpi. Enti ya oba ni be pie.
Na za wudi ni pie e ba be wie fie. E ba be wie fie.
E man do level bi o mo ye smart. O ma wutwi ni ndi biom. Je oba bi wo ho a mudi nkomo no wa pe wa asem dada.
All right.
Wo ka say I want to take you out no. Oba no ono abeboa no ho say mi koi mi mba fie. E yo no ni free will. Ntuma so kura bag wafa extra o tumi ka cho kwa so and ye mebe fie na ma be dwale wo ho na me siesie no say no ono aha yen kwa wo ba gidi on the first date debedebe yes apoba no hutiri mu adwina so what must auntie I was say yeah ye nya abotre ma ne time. Men fall in love with what we see. Women fall in love with time. What they hear with time. Nti obey investigation oba ofie na wa hwe dem na wa hwe umpa ade ba ko oba wura dem o hwe first obi hu oba bi atade wo wa yes be ma wura oba dem na oba na siesie ni dem a de be ma ne kan o timi young girl ya de pan o na we siesie ni dem kama say oba wura wo dem anya TV ni mpa na o hwe o hwe so oba mpa bo bi gudem a 2p aba no ai hey na
experience is talking
no do mo de chimbe ma ne pa number 1 ye afin ya da ho any brush into what you washroom say brush ye two dia na say nipa two and if you
me gwana betre me more brush is better
but say only brush three
no brush better say better
brush three say
no there be brush there so what's wrong with that we class all two
we use two ni na
that no I send it down
adabi me use ni nyina me use one brush
me man de pa ye me man nti wo two brush ya man who said brush no use two ena ade ba ko mutade chi me man pa
afen no den ne be ma
enwi obanwi na me get bi ba be da ya o kwa ono esi panty hatara me say madam ayenye sawa ha o anka ha ye wholesale ka fefiri akọ
anka ho ere
wholesale na me ka chese mama yenje sadi yenya wa be ka dross boy pe politic bag bi she for ade ko
wo hata de bi wo hata ro wo de be ko ana se o ja no
na me ko ka so nko no se anka be hu me jam
Abraham e should have given aka 15 minutes there they come out to share but relationship is very stressful, very stressful because wakwa show be back ekra wunya nkofie bikra wakofie kra da bobo ho kasa
full school
bobo ho kasa
that be kai bo man we shouldn't complain. Men are natural providers men are givers, women are receivers. When the woman becomes a taker or your for and a woman doesn't take me ba
me ntiase
but radio station na amanfo to meet you no mo the receiver and the giver ana yes so benya TV crash no
then the receiver
yes sa na yete nti positive and negative nti the direct opposite of form nti enye di wa be ma adwene no sa na oba adwene
but with that statement again you see women are receivers men are givers but when the woman
becomes a taker but you don't take from a man, you receive what a man gives. And a man must know what his duty in relationship. And he will give me date you na or rent so and chechere ka ne beso me I was say me reasonable na mus me young lady enyama said here but say mus no me young lady na wo ho nansi na wa start you so you student into the rent ya so no me ntua ni nyina akra e bi adwoa o kan say we rent na 12,000 wa ni me say chale after me so me start ya brabo nti kakra me nyama on e bi say 5,000 or 4,000 bia je na ye ne kakra na fe so sa ne ye ni but oba o demand ade na enye wo duty no
by force
makofa young lady owoba a man bebre ya no say or hwe de wo a don't use somebody's child as a measure to measure my love for you. Me share na me franya akra na me frɛ no enti anya me master de open me ba me obi papa na hwe me ma me mbra ho
tie oso obi papa
na hwe me my real father anya me papa nkasa kwa wan hwe me obi na hwe ma me mbra ho oba no emfa abanoma ne mekyekyere abanoma no wo papa enti akoda no eye ne papa duty but there is always an exception say number 1 akoda ne papa afiri mu ena makofo oba no you love me, you love my dog yamfa wo bi ban ya mani bi wo wa akoda ne papa ye ne duty etu akoda ne school fees ngina but there be no or say na ma wo be ma wo fro no obeji wo papa ne ho na wasanji wo ho enti memma wo ba bi mfa obi aba no ma emma betet wo relationship mu but so wo bi na wo support aba no ma na bone be no why memma me de me kwa awade Mr. Father na nko change me din kra de me aye neba o hwa me wo school bibia e de ntia na me papa ni bi ono anim me papa ni bi ti Mr. Father na accept say no Gapoa first say ka say Gapoa obi wo marina they want come committee 5 ye fie na nya TV second to na kakra wo fie ento problem bi enim ye can in the context of a young boy a was starting bobra and conquer obi ba